My wife comes back tonight, you know?
Oh, really? Yeah. You gotta be home for that.
Yeah, you wanna go? You wanna go?
I'm going.
I'm ready. I gotta take time back.
Bailey, ready?
What gun you got there?
There they are.
Want to? Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go to that tree.
No, you go to the run. Go behind that now.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Move. Got you right. Huh? Hey, who you got? I got one.
All the way at the end, guys.
Crap. Gotta reload.
Where are the demos? You got medics with us?
Yeah, we got medics. Hey, careful with that bunker. Hey, you three, watch back that way. They're coming around. There's only one guy up here. There were about 9 people that went around that way back, probably. Hey, can you give me some covering fire while I move up and try to bunker in?
Yeah. Gentlemen.
All right. 1, 2, 3. Pat! Hey, I need a couple of people to come with me. There's a couple of defenders over here. They're pretty out in the open. They're way back there. They're behind a tree. But they're cutting off whoever's spawning.
David, you want to shoot today? Hey, shooting. No. Hit! I think it was friendly fire.
Ah.
Not dead, David.
I'm not dead.
Oh.
David.
Oh.
Fuck, they got me on the back of the ear. Ah.
Oh no, I hit that guy first. I got him. Victory. Hey, doesn't matter. How many left?
Get down. Hey, buddy. What's your name?
Cameron. Let's go.
All right, Cameron. We're going to go back there and we're going to take out whoever is cutting off our spawns.
All right, guys.
Move! Hey, did you see them 3 people back there spawn killing?
Yeah. They're also over there doing shit.
Is the guy laying down hit?
No, I don't think so.
Alright. That's who me and this other guy we're trying to get. Cameron, you still in?
I think we got the guy running too, man. Yep.
Okay.
We still got something in the tree when we get out there.
Yeah, I think I got one of them back there.
Probably got one. Right there, right there, right there. Are you dead? The guy in front of you. All right.
Hey, Cameron, stack up behind me. Don't get hit. You're a medic. Put your gun on my shoulder. All right, we're going to move in like this. We got him. Friendly coming across.
Hey, we got a heavy gunner. Heavy gunner.
I'll work for one. Hey, don't worry. I've been watching their BBs. They're falling right before they get to this thing. You guys can outrange them. They're down there at that other cover thing. You can easily outrange them if you just have to time it perfectly.
God, they're getting so close.
Hey, step back and they can't hit you. Hit! I was wrong.
Come on.
That guy got it.
I just seen, yeah, I'm seeing bullets come from there. They're out from behind the barrier. Move up. Hey, are those friendly? Move up. Then why the hell we keep shooting? I don't know. Get down. Is that friendly? If they're shooting at me, I'm shooting back. Simple as that. They keep shooting at us. Are you attack or defend? All part in the pond.
Why are they shooting at us?
I don't know. I ain't getting shot them.
They're helping us. And they're at the other side. You're getting any kills?
Huh?
You're getting any kills?
I got a couple of kills.
I don't know, man. I don't like them shooting at us. Are they friendly?
My bad, dude. Sorry. They're still shooting at us.
Hey, for the
Hey, I'll give you guys cover. Oh, he's hit.
Get those dragons, dude! And then walk in. You're hit, go back to respawn! Jog back! Look at that, he's got a pistol! He's more man than you! Are you serious, dude? I can't hit the guy with the... I got a car, 4 dead guys, and a guy with a dead bag. Keep pushing. Keep filling in. Go. Yeah, I think it's paid. Hey, fine. Hey guys, watch the jersey wall, guys. Shoot at him if you can. What? You know, I told Chris, yeah, no, I shot him like 5 times. I shot him like 3 times, then he shot me. Wow, that's right. I like the hat. Saw that BB come out.
Hey, who has a Thunder B?
2.5 minutes! 2.5 minutes!
YOLO.
Hey, come on, move up! This is suppressing fire! Fred. Here's 2 death rays. Death ray.
Alright, guys, fast.
Pretty fast?
1 minute, 45 seconds!
Alright, we're gonna cover you, alright? Ready? Same plan. Alright, just check, just watch behind that jersey. Alright, I need somebody on that wall to cover that. Go. Go, Payne, run. No, do this.
Move it, shoot!
I got it on that.
Hey, who's got a smoke? I need a smoke! Who's got a smoke? Hey! Who's got a smoke?
We're not allowed to throw smokes out here. We have to throw them in town.
Dead man walking! Dead man walking!
Hey,
Somebody else grab it!
That's it.
Yeah, somebody else did it. You guys have 40 30 seconds to put that smoke on that thing.
Get over there. Hey, everybody, right now! Everybody, right!